It's asking us, how do you find the square root of 25? So what we can do is we can do the exact same type of method as we did with our previous question. What we can do is we can use trial and error, and we can take the prime factors. So either way works, right? In this case, I would actually just use the prime factors because 25 is a relatively low number for a square root. So in this case here, I would just use trial and error, and you would be able to solve this problem very, very easily. I won't go in depth as in terms of the previous question, like in the previous question, doing two methods. I'm just going to use a trial method, an error method to solve for 25, because I know for a fact that 25 is a perfect square, because 25 here, any number that's ending in 5 is divisible by 5, and 5 times 5 is equal to 25, which means that I know that the square root of 25 is going to equal 5. So let's write this out first. So I have square root of 25. And again, I can use my trial and error method, right? So you have 1 squared equals 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which equals 4. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. And 5 squared, 5 times 5, is going to equal 25. And this here is our solution, because 5 squared equals 25. I can take the square root of both sides here, and these guys will cancel out, which means 5 has to equal the square root of 25, which means the solution is going to be 5. So this here is our solution for this problem. Square root of 25 is going to equal 5. If we want to be technical here, we can say square root of 25 is going to equal plus or minus 5, because again, 5 times 5 is equal to 25, but negative 5 times negative 5 is also equal to 25. So technically, square root of 25 is equal to plus or minus 25. So this here is our solution, and again, this solution here is correct.